where a rising demand for testing is being met with a lack of options in the Quad City area. And tonight, News 8's Shelby Kluver joins us live from Sherrard after a new executive order from Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker is going to require a lot more testing from teachers. What's going on, Shelby?
That's exactly right. Governor Pritzker says that teachers in Illinois either need to get vaccinated or they have to get a COVID test at least once a week. Now here at Sherrard, they're actually bringing the test to the teachers. But for so many others, even people beyond the education field, finding a test right now is not that easy. Gone are the days of mass testing sites.
It's almost like a two-front war.
Instead, Janet Hill, Rock Island County Health Department's chief operating officer, says fighting the pandemic has become a resource war.
You have to vaccinate and use those resources, and testing also is very resource intensive.
Right now, if you're looking for a COVID test in the Quad Cities, the options are slim.
We do not have a state-run testing facility within 100 miles here.
It's the same across the river after Test Iowa stopped operations in mid-July. Instead, people are told to try pharmacies and hospitals. But on Tuesday afternoon, there were no openings at almost every Quad City pharmacy, including Hy-Vee, Walgreens, and CVS, for at least 2 days. And while local hospitals and clinics offer tests, you may experience a long wait to get one. At Genesis, staff saw demand increase by over 200 tests this week alone. Other health systems are reporting wait times of anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. But with cases rising and places like concert venues asking for negative tests, the demand is increasing. In Illinois, Governor Pritzker is now requiring teachers to get the vaccine or get tested. For the Sherrard School District, that's a huge undertaking.
We're hopeful that we'll be able to hire another staff member for the sole purpose of testing students and staff.
Superintendent Alan Boucher says about 20% of staff are not vaccinated, meaning about 44 staff members will need to be tested every week.
We have 4 campuses. Right now, we're thinking that we'll do a different school each day.
So while that's the plan here at Sherrard, it's unclear how a lot of other districts are going to handle this. Early this afternoon, I spoke to the Rock Island County Regional Education Office, and they said a lot of these districts just don't have the resources to be mass testing their staff right now. They said they are waiting for future guidance from Governor Pritzker's office to see how they can best move forward with this testing. Jim?
All right, thank you, Shelby. In Sherrard, and the Rock Island County Health Department also says it's been in talks with the state about requesting another local testing site, but for right now, they've had no further information on if or when that could happen.